State Funds family, welcome to the channel. Now, I'm not going to take too long to get into this video, but what I will say is if you're here watching, it would be greatly appreciated if you could support us by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. Thanks so much in advance, and without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so this video is just an introductory. I just wanted to introduce the channel. So what is this channel about? Simply put, state funds. And if you're unaware of what state funds are, the next video coming out will be breaking down what state funds are in its entirety. So be on the lookout for that. Now, the next most important question I think that needs to be asked is, what qualifies me to even talk to you guys about this? And simply put, I've done the deals. I've made the cold calls, I've done the paperwork, and I've gotten paid. And I want to say, no, I haven't become a millionaire off this. No, I haven't even made thousands off of this. But the results are real. And if you are looking for a side hustle, a side business, I would definitely recommend this depending on your respective strengths and weaknesses. And I say depending on your strengths and your weaknesses because this just isn't something that's for everyone. And I don't want to make it seem that it is. Does it work? Yes. Is there real money to be made? Yes. But that does not mean that everyone is tuned for what it takes to do state funds. And I've come to realize that a lot of YouTubers make it seem that way, which of course they want to sell their courses and sell the quote linking products that go along with their courses, but full disclosure about the business is never given. And if it is given, it's given at a time where you've already spent your money, you've already wasted your time, and you can't get that back. So basically what I'm going to do is give you guys the real deal about state funds. The good, the bad, the ugly. No course subscription required. That's it. That's all.